In this video, we are going to see how we can underline, bold or italic a text, or if you want to remove the bold, italic or underline, here's how you can do it. First of all, let me just highlight a specific text. This is the text. Let's say that we want to put underline on this complete sentence or a paragraph. Just select the required text, click on the underline, and you will notice an underline for all the text. Similarly, if you want to remove it, you can see it highlighted here. So you do the same thing, select the text and just uncheck that underline, and this will do it for you. Similarly, if you want to, let's say I'll keep it underlined. The next one should be bold. Click on the bold, and similarly, you can uncheck this by selecting it in the same way. Similarly, we can turn a specific text into italic, and if you want to uncheck that back to the standard one, you can do that as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.